Are you looking for the convenience of main floor living? Would you love a custom-built home with a stunning view? This is it. My name is Tanya Starkle with Avenue Stone Real Estate, and welcome to 1208 West Bolan Avenue here in Spokane's Latah Valley, just minutes to downtown. This open concept home is perfect for entertaining. Every room takes advantage of the view with floor-to-ceiling windows. Gourmet kitchen with granite countertops, high-end stove with double ovens, large pantry, and so much counter space. This master suite has a walk-in shower and large closet and can take you right outside to your deck. Every bedroom has its own private full bathroom, large soaking and jetted tubs. The lower level is a perfect mother-in-law caretaker setup with its own kitchenette, large family room, and still amazing views in every room. This home is over 4,100 square feet with 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. And an upgrade you don't want to overlook is a super efficient radiant floor heat that will save you thousands. Instant hot water, heated driveway, tons of storage, and a workshop room with its own entrance. Don't let this one pass you by. Thanks for joining me here at 1208 West Bolan Avenue. My name is Tanya Starkle with Avenue Stone Real Estate. Share this video, and if you want more information on this home, give me a call. I'd be more than happy to set up your private showing.